Hello, I'm Zaki, and I'm gonna show you a train I got. This new that is Spencer. Here it is. Here coming. As you can see, I got new one. Looks quite detailed. Now I'm gonna show you the track I made. My sister. Here's the track. The circus. Jack Thomas. Okay. Time to show you the ride. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to try to put. Okay. I'm going to try to put the. Okay, I tried to put the camera on the. I tried to put the camera on the train, but I couldn't work. So sorry about that. It didn't work. Let it go. Still working. As you can see, it works. And time to show you the video of the inside. He just popped out of nowhere. Okay, now time to let you show in here. I know he's gonna come, but he's coming. If you hear it, then he's coming. But if he's coming right for you, he's gonna bang into the camera. He banged into the camera. He banged into the camera. You can see the video. Oh, he's coming. Whoa! After he walks, I have to turn him around. Turn me around and try to stop him. Stop! Really? I like that. Look at that. Now time to put the camera here so you can see the camera. Oh, is this stuff? It's a fun stuff. Oh, see? Whoa! Okay, nice. There we go. Go! You're free. Sometimes it doesn't. Sorry about that. The thing didn't go in the right place. In the right hole. Do you think this is the right hole? Yes, it is. Did it work? Did these things work? That's not your hole. Good! I think you did it. And yeah, guys. That's it for my train. And yeah, guys. Oh, sorry about that. And yeah, guys, I will subscribe. Bye.